Welcome guys, so today I want to show you how easy you can charge your Tozo T10 earbuds. So at the first you have to remember to put them right here inside this case, and if there is any foil on these pins you have to remove it from this part and this part, on the left and the right one. And right now they are charging. Inside you will find these 4 indicators, and that's the charge level of this case. And to charge the case you have to close it and then input the USB-C cable. So you can find this cable right here in the box, but if you already have this cable you can simply use this one that you are using with your phone or your any other device that you have around you, so you don't have to go for this one. But basically right here you can find this cable, and you have to plug it right here in this place, in this input, and then the USB end you have to plug to the charging brick and then put it to the electricity. So that's very obvious, that's very simple, but yeah, right here you can find the USB-C input, and the cable you will find of course right here in this box. You can also plug this second end of the cable to the USB on your computer, on your laptop. You don't have to use the charging brick, but you can of course. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.